Assalamu alaikum student. Dr. Naveed Shahad, your course instructor is here. Today this is our 38th lecture. This lecture is a continuity of our previous lecture, that was the intellectual property rights. Now we will talk about what is the patent. Exclusive right for being the true and first inventor of a product or process, granted by the government for a limited period to exclude others from making, using, selling, or importing the patented product or process without his consent, in exchange of full disclosure of his invention. Student, here patent mean actually gave actually registered with the name of inventor. Any product which have been invented will be registered with the name of inventor. This is a patent. Patent time period is actually 20 years from the date of filing. What is the life cycle of a patent? These are the few steps which have to pass out to get a product patent. First is the filing of patent application. When applicant file his application, formal examination conducted, then publication of the application, so that people well aware about this product, and if someone have any kind of objection, that can claim. Other is the after publication of the application, search and substantive examination of giving data, and finally grant permission and public data about that one product. Next is what is patentable. What we can do patent, either all type of material or specific type of the material can be patented. A product which is a novel type of the product or a newly synthesized product can be patentable. Apparatus for producing the product, like we can say apparatus used in the industry, apparatus used in the laboratories, a new type of the apparatus. And other than apparatus is a process. If someone have developed a new process to obtain any kind of the material, and other is the composition of the matter. Composition of the matter is also patentable. What are the basic requirements for patentability? First is the novelty. If someone have discovered or invent a material which is a novel type of material, not discovered before this, for novel type of the material, we can go for patentability. Other is the utility. If someone have invented or discovered a new material, so its utility is the main factor. If it is so much important or useful for a society, then that person can go toward the patentability. Non-obvious, obviousness mean not easily discovered. That is actually something new, and had to make a lot of effort to discover this kind of product or material. So non-obviousness is the matter. Other is the material related to the written disclosures. If someone have invented something, he has go to disclose that one material in writing form. Next is the what is not patentable. Following type of the material or product or process or methods are not patentable, like computer programs, medical and surgical treatments, mathematical methods, business methods, discoveries, aesthetic creation, new species of the plant or animal, the inversion which are contrary to moral standard and public order, invention related to the atomic energy. Such kind of the material or products are not patentable. Documents required for filing a patent application. Following type of the documents are required to get patent. First is the application form. It's a simple type of application form, as we want to get any kind of benefits or want to contact with any kind of the services. We have a application. So here is application form. This is form 1. Other is a specification. Provisional or complete specification will be mentioned in form 2. Specification mean detailed information about that one material or process. Third is the drawings. If your inventory is related to any kind of drawings or sketch, or we can say diagram, this have to be draw for better understanding. After drawing is the undertaking under section 8. This is the form number 3. Actually, fourth point is the oath for the authorship of your product or process. Fifth is the power of authority. If someone want to get patent for a product, then he should have a power of authority. This is overall patent process. 3 main steps involved in patent process. First is the pre-examination process, examination process, and third is post-examination process. Pre-examination process is actually application undergoes pre-exam processing in OIPE. Then next is the examination processing, in which classification determines home for examination, initial review, first action. After initial review, concerned person may also be allowed for go to the post examination. It may be rejected at this stage. After rejection, applicant response will be submitted again. Then it will go to the second action. Here permission may also be granted. Again rejection, maybe it will be the final rejection or may not be. Here applicant give the response and advisory action will take place, and again permission may be granted. Applicant's appeal brief and then examiner answer against this appeal, and after examine their appeals and answer these appeals, it may go to the permission and it may go to the courts. Then court will make decision on it. After the process of examination, next is the post examination processing. In post examination processing, notice of the allowance sent, then applicant response, issue fee paid, and finally patent printed and issued. So these are the different steps in which a person who want to get patent have to pass all these steps. Next is what does patent system do? It encourages research. It induces an inventor to disclose his invention, encourage establishment of new industries, reasonable assurance for commercialization, facilitate technology transfer. It also stimulate R&D at universities and research centers. It acts as a catalyst for new technologies and new business. Next is the compulsory license. Anytime after 3 years from the date of sealing of a patent, application for compulsory license to government can be made by any other party interested in using that invention provided. First is the reasonable requirements of the public have not been met. Second is the patented invention is not available to public at a reasonably affordable price. Patented invention is not worked in country. If any of these 3 points involve, then compulsory license may not be issued. Is a patent granted in one country enforceable to other countries? Answer is no. There is nothing like a global patent or a world patent. Patent rights are essentially territorial in nature. Granting a patent in one country of the Union does not force other countries to grant the patent for the same invention. The refusal of the patent in one country does not mean that it will be terminated in all other countries. infringements. Infringement is actually violation of patentability or of patent. Infringement of a patent occurs when a competitor makes, uses, sells, offers to sell, or import as a embodiment of invention without the permission of patent owner. There are two types of the infringements. First is the direct infringement, second is the indirect infringement. In both types there is actually violation of patent law. What are the consequences of the infringement? If you infringe someone else's patent, you may risk. What kind of the risk? Injunctions, which means that all your products may be removed from the market due to the infringement. This is injunction. Other risk is the destruction of your products. Third is paying damages to the patent owner. Fourth is being sending to imprisonment. Go to the imprisonment. Next is the types of the pharmaceutical patents. What are the types of pharmaceutical patents? First is the drug compound patent, formulation or composition patent, synergistic combination patent, technology patent, polymorph patent, biotechnology patent, and process patent. What are not inventions? First is a pharma related. Any process for the medicinal, surgical, curative, prophylactic or other treatment of the human being. The just discovery of a new form of a known substance or just discovery new property or new use of a known substance. This is not a invention. A substance obtained by a just admixture mean mixing something resulting only in the aggregation of the properties of the components thereof or a process for producing such substance. In this case, this is not a invention. Traditional knowledge is not an invention. Next, other type of the, what are the other types which are not inventions? Which claim anything contrary to natural law. A method of agriculture or horticulture. Third is topography of integrated circuits. Fourth, a presentation of information. Fifth is a mathematical or business method or a computer program. Sixth is a literary, dramatic, music or artistic work. Seventh is the method of playing games. Eighth one is the just discovery of the scientific principle or the formulation of an abstract theory. Advantages of patents. A patent gives you the right to stop others from copying, manufacturing, selling or importing your invention without your permission. Second advantage is you get protection for a predetermined period, allowing you to keep competitors at buy, or we can say bay. You can then use your invention yourself. Alternatively, you can license your patent for others to use it, or sell it as with any asset. And this can provide an important source of the revenue for your business. Indeed, some businesses exist to collect the royalties from a patent they have licensed, perhaps in combination with the registered, designed, and trademark. So, student, this is all about remaining part of intellectual property rights.